This is a tutorial on the planisphere. With this tool you can determine the visible starry sky for a given date and time. Note that a planisphere is valid for certain latitudes only. Here we have a planisphere for a northern latitude of 50 degrees. It can be used for 45 to 55 degrees north. Let's have a look to the different parts of a planisphere. The date ring. The hours ring. The horizon with the zenith marker. The stars, constellations, and ecliptic. Now some planispheres for other latitudes. Decrease the latitude to 30 degrees north and see how the horizon and constellations change. You will see more constellations from the south. Then, a planisphere for a southern latitude of 30 degrees. On a southern planisphere, the date and hours rings are counting the other way around. And you see all the southern constellations. There are also more sophisticated planispheres. They contain markers for the celestial coordinates. Here the right ascension ring. And the declination pointer. It can be rotated e.g. to a certain star, like Vega. For Vega, you can see a declination of plus 38 degrees. And a right ascension of 18 hours and 37 minutes. Now let's use it for a date and time of November 20th, 8 o'clock at night. Have a look to the current date on the date ring. Then look to the current time on the hours ring. Rotate the hours ring until the time reaches the date. Note that the hours ring and the horizon are connected. Then rotate the planisphere such that south is at the bottom. Now you are ready to look at the sky. The virtual date and time markers are not needed anymore. Look up to the sky. We are looking in south direction. Here the constellations Andromeda and Pegasus. Look now to Perseus and Cassiopeia. As we are in 21st century, we can use also smartphones. Look to the east. And open a star chart app on the smartphone. Now look up to the sky and move the phone accordingly. The constellations appear automatically on the app. On the app, you can see also the Messier objects. And planets, like here for example, Saturn.